Hi everyone, welcome to Decode Australia. Today is Thursday, 28th of January 2021. My name is Tamer.
My name is Yvonne.
And we're going to be starting with the pound USD analysis.
The Great Britain pound inched lower against the US dollar on Thursday, decreasing the price of the pound US to less than 1.3700 ahead of the release of the BoE Asset Purchase Facility news.
Now currently this pair is hovering around the 1.3682 level. We're going to come across the following support levels. Support 1 is the 1.3501, a major horizontal support. So the second support is at 1.3451, which is the low of January 11th. And finally the third support is at 1.3343, which is the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement.
On the upside, the price of the pound US might hit some significant resistance levels. The first resistance will be 1.3758, which is the major horizontal resistance. The second resistance will be 1.3800, which is the psychological number. And the third resistance will be 1.3851, which is the upper trend line arm.
Okay, so the BoE, so the Bank of England anticipates releasing stats for the Asset Purchase Facility on Thursday, February the 4th, which is next week. And according to economists, the BoE Asset Purchase Facility reached a reading of £895 billion in December, as compared to a reading of £895 billion the previous month.
The stats for the Bank of England Asset Purchase Facility reflects the value of money that the BoE plans to inject into the country's economy. This process is expected to be done through open market bond purchases. It's a common method for central banks to use for quantitative easing. Generally speaking, a high reading suggests a bullish market for the pound USD ahead and vice versa.
In conclusion, given the macroeconomic outlook over the past few days, buying for pound USD around the current levels might be a good trading decision in the short to medium term. Now let's move on to the US Swiss analysis.
The US dollar rose against the Swiss Franc on Thursday, increasing the price of the US Swiss to more than 88, even ahead of the release of US Nonfarm Payroll news.
Now currently this pair, the US Swiss, is trading around the 88.92 level. We're going to come across the following resistance levels. Resistance 1 is the 89.62, which is a major horizontal resistance. Second resistance is at 90.21, the upper trend line arm. And finally the third resistance you'll find is the 61.8% Fibonacci level at 90.90.
On the downside, the US Swiss pair may have some major support levels. The first support will be 0.8857, which is the lower trend line arm. And the second support will be 0.8822, which is the low of January 8th, 2021. The third support will be 0.8757, which is the major horizontal support.
So the US Nonfarm Payroll news is coming up, and it's big news obviously. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics is scheduled to release these numbers for the US Nonfarm Payroll news on Friday, the week after, which is February the 5th. And according to economists, the US non-farm payroll reached a reading of 85k in January this year, as compared to a reading of minus 140k in December.
The US non-farm payroll stats reflect the numbers of new jobs created in the non-agricultural sector inside the US over the given time, because of having a direct impact of economic policy decision of the central bank. The change in the payrolls on the monthly basis can be extremely volatile. Generally speaking, a higher reading suggests a bullish market for the US Swiss pair ahead and vice versa.
Okay, in conclusion, considering the price movement of this pair, the US Swiss, buying it around the current levels might help generate some fast profits in short to medium term trading. As always, when trading, trade with your head, not your heart. Only trade with what you can afford to lose, and always apply strict money and risk management techniques.
That's right, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page and our Instagram at Forex Decoded. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and also comment down below. Let me know what you thought.
Happy trading, thanks for watching, see you next time.
See you.